Special hello namin was the one in front of ABS. Yun yung formally na-introduce kami. Tapos nakatak-in pa siya.
Parang floral na black and white polo shirt na ang taba-taba direct.
Totoo, naka-floral daw.
Floral ba? Yung picture at
parang mayor. Tito, yung tito.
Yeah, yun yung first. Nagkakilala kami. Tapos, my first impression, I think he was very approachable.
Okay.
Kasi diba usually may normal awkwardness naman every time you meet someone na bago, lalo pag magkaibang network kayo, ganyan. But siguro nung una pa lang hindi ko na-feel yun. Hindi naman yung instantly chumika na ako agad sa kanya kasi shy girl din ako nun. But I think hindi ako nag-hesitant masyado. Parang wala yung hesitancy because alam ko na I can talk to him. Especially siguro ngayon, like through the years, after Hello Love, Goodbye, and then we were able to maintain the friendship, and then we did this. Now, I think it's safe to say that the big change that happened was the friendship. Definitely. Like before, may mga hindi kami pwede pag-usapan na bagay, about life, about random things. And now, it's just so easy to talk to this guy. Like, pwede ko siya pag-usapan namin about yung pinaka-random na may isip mo. And kung gusto mo din ng serious conversation, you can talk to him. And I think it's something na, parang it's a good foundation of the friendship, the time, the trust is there. And, the openness.
Yeah.
So, siguro, yun yung appreciate ko.
Yeah, we really got to know each other more this time.
Yeah. Second hellos.
Second hellos.